So, Sheikh, I was traveling and it was Isha time. The bus driver kept on driving and I was waiting with the hope that he might stop at the stoppage and I'll pray. But he kept on driving until the last moment of Isha, where only 10 to 20 minutes were left, and I thought that he won't stop within Isha time. So I prayed sitting in the bus. After a while, he stopped at a stoppage where maybe around 5 to 10 minutes were left for Isha. So did I do the right thing?
If you thought that he would not stop and there was little time before the end of time, like you've described, and you offered your Isha prayer sitting down, I pray to Allah that your prayer is valid, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Taking my call. So my question is, I'm trying my best to put my words together. It's an extremely important question I need to ask you. My recently son passed away and I have a very bad anxiety and loneliness after Maghrib, and I wanted to move from this home to sell. But the question is that my husband is planning to go to India to see his mother. His mother has a daughter and grandchildren in India. She is a good in hands. And I asked him to delay and not to go this time, and let's work together and sell this home and move on our life, because this house is remind my son every day. Most of the time I get anxiety, depression, because he has a lot of memory in this home. But my husband, he says that no, I need to go. He did the same thing last year. He went to India. We were not able to move another home because he went to India to see his mother. He's doing the same thing. And whenever I tell him not to go, he said, you are a Jahannam woman. You are stopping me to see my mother. Am I Jahannaming? One question. Second is that...
No, okay, first of all, we have only one question. It is his right to move. If he's not considering your emotions, there is no problem on you. The problem is on him. He is the one who evaluates whether what you're asking for is legitimate or not. His mom's presence in this life is timed. What would you think he would feel about you if he were not to leave on time next week and she dies the following day? And he could have met her and seen her before she passed away. How would he think of you? Definitely a woman from Jahannam. So it's best for you to let him go, meet his mom. Allah knows how long she's going to live. Second of all, your anxiety is shaitan driven. Shaitan is messing up with your head. Allah chose the best for your son. Aren't you able to cope with that? The Prophet himself, alayhi salatu wasalam, when he was blessed with a baby boy, he called him Ibrahim. He had only 4 daughters. All of his male children died at an early age. When he was about 60 or 61 years of age, he was blessed with a boy, and the boy died before he completed 2 years of age. So he was devastated, alayhi salatu wasalam. What did he say? He said, the heart is saddened and the eyes are watering and weeping. And we don't say anything that angers Allah, but indeed, O Ibrahim, by departing us, we are saddened. So you should have total reliance in Allah Azza wa Jal and not allow shaitan to mess up with your head like this. Besides, your husband's point of view is, okay, let's assume we sell the house and we move on to another house, but you still get these anxiety attacks after Maghrib. What are we going to do? Migrate to India again? Or move to somewhere else? It doesn't make any sense. So let him go in peace, stop nagging him, and trust Allah and make ruqya on yourself, and inshallah, you'll be in good hands.